Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 GMC Terrain turbo diesel all-wheel drive SLT trim. Comes equipped with a 1.6 liter turbo diesel engine as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, driver safety assist package, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have paneling and storage just under the bottom of the door here, as well as your rear liftgate control. It's also going to come equipped with the Bose premium speaker sound system. You're going to have that wood chrome accent finish there, as well as the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your mirror memory as well. Moving on to the seat, you're going to have the power adjustable lumbar heated bucket seat as well. And onto the left side, we're going to have our lighting control. And moving up to the steering wheel on the left side, you're going to have your cruise control, your forward collision alert, and as well as your heated steering wheel. And on the right side here, you're going to have your voice recognition and as well as your odometer control, which concludes pretty much about your trip A, trip B, fuel information, as well as your oil life as well, and such others. Of course, moving on to the climate and radio control, you're going to have the new 2018, fairly new still. They still use these shifters, as well as USB-C port, USB-A, and as well as an SD card reader, as well as a 12-volt DC port. In the 8-inch infotainment system here, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your navigation as well. And onto the side, you can also connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Down here, you're going to have the pad, of course, the chargers, and as well as your cup holders. You're also going to have your lane keep assist, as well as your hill descent control, and your 4- and 2-wheel drive, as well as your all-terrain mode. Opening up the center console, you're going to have 2 USB ports and lots of extra storage. As well as you're going to have that same stitch and finish here on the passenger side as well, and on the doors, as well as that Bose speaker sound system. Of course, up top, you're going to have your OnStar services, your reading lamps, as well as your sunglass case holder, and as well as your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these great 18-inch alloy wheels. You're going to have the plastic on the bottoms here to prevent that rust. You're going to have the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles, as well as you're going to have the luggage roof rack there as well. As well as you're going to have the hands-free lift gate as well. Lifting this up for a mid-size SUV, you're going to have tons of extra storage, as well as a 12-volt DC port. Lifting this up under the mat, you're going to have your extra wheel well storage as well. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same style and finish on the doors here. Just a little extra storage compartment on the bottom there as well. You're just going to have the power windows. Get inside, you're going to have tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat as well. You're going to have ventilation in the back, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger. And right in the middle, you're going to have the classic cup holder and armrest, as well as you're going to have the dual pane sunroof just right above you, and as well as your reading lamps. Thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 GMC Terrain SLT trim. Comes equipped with a 1.6 liter turbo diesel engine, as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as dual pane sunroof, roof rack, as well as lane keep assist and other safety assist packages included as well. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.